My son Prakhar Jain, he is a student of FIITJEE Kochi. He joined FIITJEE in the for the 4-year classroom program, and after that we shifted to integrated program in 11th standard in FIITJEE Kochi. Earlier he was studying in FIITJEE Mumbai. I am very thankful to FIITJEE Kochi and especially all the faculty members for putting in so much efforts and giving their full, you can say the full efforts in shaping the result which eventually Prakhar has achieved.
Hello everyone, I am Piyush Jain. I am father of Prakhar Jain. Prakhar Jain has scored very good in JEE Advanced as well as JEE Mains. All the credit goes to FIITJEE Kochi. Basically, he had started all this program 4 years back. He had joined a 4-year program with FIITJEE. Then in 11th, he changed this program to integrated program, which was integrated with the school. And this 2 years, he has learned a lot: physics, chemistry, maths, like anything. He has been coming to FIITJEE Kochi, and all the teachers, they have been teaching day and night physics, chemistry and maths to him. And basically in 10th class, he was not able to give his boards because of the COVID, and boards were cancelled. So we were not aware how much level he is having. So once the 10th board exams cancellation was there, then we shifted to Kochi. And in Kochi, he started his 2 years program in FIITJEE Kochi. So FIITJEE basically Kochi helped him in his 11th and 12th, which are crucial years for him to appear for JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. And in 11th and 12th, he was going on daily basis to his attending his classes. Sometimes it was offline, sometimes it was online. Most of the time, whenever he had any doubts in his mind, his teachers who are there at FIITJEE Kochi were able to resolve immediately. So if you see in FIITJEE Kochi, we have teachers who are a level class apart. So they are able to tell each and everything. They are able to clear all his doubts. Whenever he is having anything, they are able to clear that, and they are able to tell what is to be done. So if you see, Prakhar Jain has really increased his knowledge through the learning which he has got here in the coaching program. I think earlier we were thinking that his rank which we were expecting will be, maybe he may get 1,000 or maybe up to 5,000, but due to the teaching which he has got in FIITJEE Kochi, he has been able to achieve such a good and high rank. In fact, he got 59 All India rank in JEE Mains. So this is basically entirely due to the hard work which has been given by the teachers who are there at FIITJEE Kochi. So we are very thankful to the FIITJEE Kochi teachers as well as the staff who have been untiringly helping the students, not only Prakhar Jain, even all the students who are there in the classes. They have been untiringly helping them and teaching them whenever it is required. Whenever they are having doubts, they are able to clear all their doubts. So the time which is they are saving a lot of time in that, and it is really getting helped.
One thing I would like to especially emphasize, and I would like to tell all the parents, this is a very nowadays in this world of gadgets. So initially my child used to play games on the mobiles and all, but since we shifted to Kochi, and when we met the center at Mr. Arvind Kant Gupta sir, with all our family members, with my husband and with Prakhar. So sir was so influential on him, and he just convinced him that it is not good for him. If he wants to achieve a very good rank in the exams, he has to delete all the games from his mobile. So when I went home, I was surprised to see after 3-4 hours that Prakhar deleted all his games from his mobile, and which I had been after him since so long that you please delete your games, don't play games too much. So that way I was so much impressed by sir that he was so he could convince him something which is very good for him. And the whole 2 years, Prakhar did not download any games in his mobile, and I was very thankful to sir. And because of sir in all the 2 years, he was continuously, personally, he was always in touch with us also and with Prakhar also. In fact, after exams, every exam he used to call Prakhar, he used to ask how was his exam, and he used to, like there was a SWOT analysis type of a thing which he used to take care. And he would give us also feedback, like how Prakhar was performing, where he is lacking, how we can help at home, and giving him some, like what at home how we can help him. So that ways I am very thankful to Sir Arvind Kant Gupta sir also for all his support for all the 2 years. And in fact, he always motivated him. Initially, he was a person who, like when we came to FIITJEE Kochi, he like judged his potential. Earlier we were not thinking that he might get such a good rank, but he only judged his potential in him and guided us, guided Prakhar through whole of his journey.
We are really thankful to FIITJEE Kochi, for whom we were really dependent wholly for the JEE Mains as well as JEE Advance. They have really helped a lot, and the results we can see all the JEE Mains as well as JEE Advance. In fact, not only JEE Mains and JEE Advance, even for BEDSAT and even for other exams, if you see, he has scored very well. This is really out of our expectation. Although FIITJEE Kochi, they had belief in him that he will be able to score if proper guidance is given to him. So I think really we are really thankful to FIITJEE Kochi. They have really saw that spark in him, and finally they were able to see that he is able to achieve that much, whatever potential he was having. So thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot to FIITJEE.